Um, it appears like sometimes I didn't get to exercise because first time when I got back home and I put in some water in the fridge, and mostly I feel something strange is going on in my head. I try to keep lying down, and I just went back to bed, and I go to mom's bed. And I hear when someone says, because I need some aspirin. That's why I just feel like a little bad time. That's all that matters. It's true. It would have been it's called labory. Right. Nothing else would matter. Interesting shape.